Hello, good morning everyone. How are you today? Today, inshallah, we are going back to code.org and we're completing our lessons in code.org. Today, we are going to lesson 11, simulating experiments. Okay, I know that you're doing experiments with the science, I believe in another subjects, but today we're going to do it in different way. How are we going to do it? Let's start. Our objective for today: use the computer simulation to collect data about a module or model. Okay. Success criteria: use the collecting data activity guide to record, assign values to existing variables, make and test predictions by modifying simulation variables. Okay, guys. If you were a scientist, when might you want to simulate an experiment on a computer instead of real life? Why are we doing that instead of real life, guys? Because sometimes the simulation in real life, it's dangerous or is not easy to do it. That's why we use the simulation on a computer. Okay, today we are going to run a simulation to gather data about an experiment, just like a scientist do. Okay, guys, let's go to the lessons in code.org. The lesson today, we have three this one here, collecting data. Run the simulation 5 times. Each time use the collecting data activity guide to record. How many apples did the elephant collect? How many apples did the hippo collect? How much time did it take for all the apples to be collected? What we're gonna do, guys, you're gonna click run. Okay, see it's moving randomly. Okay, see it's giving you the data is collected. You need to get a piece of paper and a pencil. In the end, it will show in 1 second total how many elephants. This 6 elephant and hippo 14, and takes 19 seconds. You need to run how many times, guys? 5 times. 5 times. Where are you gonna record these things, guys? After you write it in a piece of paper, you can go. Let me do another one more time first. Reset, run. I'm gonna wait until the collected all. Now elephant 7 and hippo 13. Right? You're gonna repeat this, guys, 5 times, and every time you need to record it like I'm doing exactly here. Okay. Guys, I see the hippo is faster than the elephant, right? This is I already predicted right now. Hippo is faster than the elephant. Yes. See, elephant 5 and hippo 15. There are total, guys, as you see, how many total of the apples? They are 20, right? You need to repeat this 5 times and record every time what you get, okay? Then, when you are done, you click what? Finish. Okay, then you click continue to the next experiment. But before we go into the next one, I need you to open the file which I give you on the assignment. You're gonna, today we are in week 29. You're gonna go to week 29, then you will find there is an assignment here. Inside the assignment, guys, you will find there is a Word file. I already attached it here to the assignment. You can download it to your computer, then you can open it. Microsoft Word. When you open it, guys, as you see here, I open it. Then here, collecting data. Okay, you need to first run here. We got for the elephant 6 apples, hippo 14. The second run 7, 13. And also you need to write also how many seconds each time. Here it was 13 seconds. Here are 17 seconds, and so on, guys. Okay, you need to collect all this data here. Okay, at least 5 times. You can do it more than 5, but minimum is 5 times. Okay, here the graph, guys. If you have the way, you know how to use the Word to make the graph, you can do it. Okay, or you can print this papers before you go into do it. Is better, you print it, then you draw by yourself here the line, elephant with a blue and hippo with a red. Okay, to draw a line graph tracking how many apples each animal. Here, for example, this is the run 1. Here in run 1, you're gonna draw a line here. How many? The same line. One is red and one is blue. Okay, for example, till 5, 10, 15. Okay, this is the graph. Okay, you're gonna do it. Okay, here this is for the second experiment. Let's go to the second experiment. Continue. Second experiment, guys. Here they're giving us, we can modify and predict. Okay, pick one of the variable that control this simulation to modify and predict how that will change the outcome. After you have written down your predictions, you need to write your prediction first, run the simulation 5 times, and write down your finding. Was prediction accurate or not? Okay, guys. Now you can also play with speed of the elephant. You can make the speed of the elephant, for example, 6, and make the speed of the hippo 4. How many elephants you want to be there? We can make it 2 if you want, 2 elephants, for example. Okay, or here you're gonna make hippo 3, and they are going to collect how many apples? Here 20. I'm gonna make it, for example, 30. Okay, then you click run. See, guys, it's taking less time, 5 seconds. They already collect 30 of apples. You need to write down all these things. Then in your prediction, you need to see how many they are doing here. See, guys, these things, you are simulate something. How many person are there to collect the things? The speed is there. How many things that they are collecting? All this is you are putting in your mind when you are doing this simulation. Okay, guys, this is how the computer make the simulation very easy, guys. The experiments of the science or anything, you can do it on the computer more faster. Okay, and it make it very easy. Okay, guys, when you are done, you need to go to also your Word documents, and you need to give me the time here, and you need to mention which variable to modify. Okay, and here, what is the outcome from you, your prediction? Okay, then you need to write these things. If you print it, you can later take a picture and submit it to the assignment, guys. Okay, or not in the assignment, on the feedback discussion, that everyone can see your prediction and how it's different from your friends. Okay, guys, where you can go to week 29 as well. In the assignment, guys, you can submit the 2 experiments. It doesn't need to submit anything on the assignment. Just go to the feedback discussion is much better, that everyone can see your things by clicking in the comments, by attaching your file. You can write it directly to the Word and save it to your computer, upload it, or you can take it, or if you print it out and write it on a paper, then you take a photo and submit it here. And I need you to write here, I want to discuss with your friend after you post your prediction. Okay, discuss how your modification and prediction come out. First with a friend, pick any friend in the comments here, discuss with him, and then with the whole class. You can discuss with anyone later on the whole class. Okay, guys? This is all, but when you're completing all of the things, there is an extra lesson here. You can go here, lesson extra, and you can do your own simulation by creating your own simulation, guys. See, guys, these are some simulations here. You can play with it, okay? And you can add all these things. This is the code, actually. This is the code we already, you can create your own by editing all these things. Okay, guys? We already know how to use these things and we learned it before. Okay, guys? This is all for today. Okay, if you have any question, please message me in Schoology and I will reply you in any time. See you guys. Thank you. Bye.